Coleman F. Connor. I mean, not Coleman. Coleman, yeah, Coleman. Okay. It's a 2001, I think. I think it's a 2001. It's got it's a straight coil, actually no, that's a straight coil, yeah. Copeland small compressor. Copeland. Yeah. There's the other trains. They always have these clear coils. Oops. Oh, I accidentally took this off. Now I have it in my clutch. Oh, there's a lizard. There's a lizard. I don't want to scare it. Oh. These are kind of big compared to me. It's got a Alliance. I have no idea what this one is because I'm too short. Okay, now moving on. Okay, now here's the trains, the bigger ones. Swept blades. Oh, I didn't know these existed. I forgot about these. I have no idea what compressor that is, but I'm guessing it's a Copeland. Moving on, here's another train. Oh, this one's a straight coil, I think. It's a 2019. Here's Train XR. Just shut off. Oh, this one just shut off, actually. Oh, a Ream Classic. I did not even notice that. A Ream Classic. I did not notice that. Ooh. If I catch this, it's no compressor. Oh, it's in the back. If I get this starting up, I will be super happy. Okay, here. This one is a 2018 4-ton. 4-ton from 2018. This is a 2003, and it's a 1-ton. Ream Classic. Can't believe I found one of those. Alright, here's the next. Here's some other one. Oh, here's the old Ream Classics that I visited last time. These are the older ones. Okay. This thing has been running, and this has too. Alright, where's the data? It's a 2003 3-ton. Oh, it's a straight cool, I think. I think both of these are straight cool. Here's the train XR12. XR12. No idea. 2003 3-ton. These actually have similar logos. Okay, here's a Goodman. And a train. There's a lot of trains here. There's a lot of train. This is Alliance, big Alliance compressor. And this one has the weird fan blades. Oh, there's some. Nothing back there. There's nothing back there. Huh?
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, here are the others. Oh, we'll start this way. We'll start out this way. start from the base model. Start from the base model. It's a, ow. I have no idea. It's all gone. This Goodman is a 2014. And here's a Lennox T-Class. Kind of. So, where's the data? Alright, it's a 2006. This one's Bradley. Oh, and this one has two logos on it. One right here, one right there. Oh, Avcon. I'll get to that one later. Oh, this one does not look good at all. It's not in good shape. Ow. Okay, it's a 2000. I don't believe this is a 2006. Here's a Avcon. That's a Emerson. It's a 2014. I don't know what ton it is. This has been running. Okay. Now for the older generation ones. Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, dang, I thought it was a There's a Frederick. It's a 19-seater. This is the part 2. Alliance. Oh, right. The Air Ease. I did not see this coming. Air Ease. I have no idea. Okay, here's a train. Oh, this is rusty. 2001. 4-ton. Huh? There's more down there.